tell you what, it comes to something when you can't even go to the loo, you know. Hey, listen, respect and, you know, honor to each and every one of you, you know what I mean? This is just getting nice, you know. We're all people, you know. Sometimes people forget that people are people. Black, white, brown, disabled, whatever, people are people. We're dealing with one love. You understand what I'm saying to you? So trust me, honor to each and every one of you, because the vibe is early, it's early, and the vibe is already nice. You know? So remember, this is a competition, but already everybody can hold their heads up high, because I love this, man. If you love this, tell me, say you love this. Who love this? Yeah, man, love.
Yes, us. Yes, I.
Check, check. Right now, the sound system is one thing, but the culture behind it is a completely different thing. So right now, I'm just going to play you some tunes about the culture.
Children, know your culture, know yourself, know yourself, yes. Children, know your culture, please know yourself. Don't wait until your back's against the wall before you hear the master call. Know yourself, children. Know yourself, children. Help your brothers if you can. That will make you a better man. Know your culture, set speed. Don't be overpowered with greed. Know your culture, man. Know yourself. Give an helping hand if you can. Help your fallen brother, man. Children, know your culture. Know yourself. Ooh, now. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Children, don't be angry or greed. Oh, now. Our best time is drawing near. Little children have no fear. Wicked man, you better beware.
And listen,
Jah is near.
I might get IDs, but I know about music, you know.
Know your culture, man. Know your culture, man. Oh, hell, know yourself. La, 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 la. Now, know your culture, know yourself. Don't end up on the wicked man shelf. Know your culture, children. Oh, now, know yourself. Know yourself. I fish for me, I fish for you.
Yes, LTs. Give them my next beat. Watch yourself. Yeah.
About the God above, telling us about foolishness sometimes.
Got the finger.
Oh, I'm over the moon. The little dog around to see such fun. The dish will go with the spoon. We need something better than that. Whoa, but I know your strategy. You little wobble and come. But I know you can't try that. So you see, you use a lot of money, make the people act so funny. Oh, Mr. Everybody Babylon, tell us your name. But I know one day we'll be different. And today I'm going for I and I to live as one in this community. But man and man just fighting and killing one another, not teaching their brothers to know and keep it. But I know something, and I've got to tell you, man, don't fool me up. You don't fool me up. Oh, can the dish run away with the spoon? Oh, can the dog love to see such a fun? Oh no, man, there is something more than that. Judge, I know it going that. Why don't you tell us that the Lord is my shepherd? I shall not want. You may get me to lie down or stir. You let my soul. Oh, don't tell me about the way. Diggle, diggle, diggle. The cat sat up by the fibble. The cow jumped over the moon. The dog loved to see some fun. Oh, can they love? Oh, can they love? Teach me your culture. Tell us about our city. Tell us am I. So many people who need the helping hand. Why don't you help them? And don't come tell me about the foolish.
Balistic sound.